Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle chair. First, gather your materials. You'll need a good supply of popsicle sticks, around 300 to 500, depending on your desired chair size. A strong craft glue or wood glue is essential for a durable build. Also, have a craft knife and a cutting mat ready for any necessary trimming. Small clamps or clothespins can be very helpful for holding pieces together as the glue dries. Let's start by building the chair's base. Begin by laying out 2 layers of popsicle sticks to form a sturdy rectangle. Overlap the sticks at the corners to create stronger joints. Think about the overall scale of your chair when determining the base dimensions. It's crucial to let each section dry thoroughly before moving on to the next step, ensuring a solid foundation for your miniature furniture. Now, let's add the backrest and armrests. For the back, glue sticks vertically onto the rear of your base, gradually building up the height and angle you prefer. Next, create the armrests by layering sticks horizontally from the sides of the chair. Remember to reinforce all your joints with a bit of extra glue. This will ensure your popsicle chair is not only charming, but also quite sturdy. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully trim any uneven edges or excess glue to give your chair a neat appearance. If there are any rough spots, a gentle sanding with fine grit sandpaper can smooth them out. Feel free to personalize your creation with paint, markers, or even tiny embellishments. Once it's completely dry, you can proudly display your unique popsicle stick chair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.